Level up your toolbox with these 25 next-level tools, designed to save time, boost efficiency, and make tough jobs easier. They're perfect for pros and serious DIYers alike. From cable staplers to cordless heat guns, these tools combine smart design with serious performance to help you work faster and smarter. Get ready to say goodbye to your hammer and hello to the M12 cable stapler. This little powerhouse changes the game for running cables. You're looking at finishing your rough ends twice as fast as manual hammering, working in tight spots between studs. No problem. This compact tool fits right in there. The smart design keeps your cables perfectly aligned every time, and that coil spring mechanism syncs staples at just the right depth. Running 14, 12, or 10 AWG cables. It handles them all, plus your low voltage stuff too. One M12 battery gives you about 1,200 staples. That's a lot of work done right. The guides make sure your staples go in straight every time. Your workday just got a whole lot better with this Makita speaker. You can power it with your Makita batteries or plug it straight into the wall. Whatever works best for you. Want to listen to crystal clear digital radio? It's got both DAB and DAB Plus built right in. Feel like playing your tunes? Just connect your phone through Bluetooth. It works up to 10 meters away. Running low on phone battery? Plug into one of the 2 USB ports and charge while you work. The flat top design lets you safely place your phone on top while it's playing. Need to work late? The backlit display and glowing buttons make it easy to see what's playing even in low light. With a fully charged 18V battery, you're looking at almost 25 hours of continuous play. Take your flooring game to the next level with this 13-inch Cutting Pro. You'll breeze through laminate, engineered wood, vinyl, pretty much anything up to 5/8 inch thick. The built-in light shows you exactly where you're cutting, making every cut precise. Need a measure? Check out the ruler with both inches and millimeters right there on the table. The steel cam with ball bearings makes cutting smooth as butter, while that tungsten blade stays sharp cut after cut. When you're done, the bigger hand grip makes it easy to carry to your next job. Whether you're cutting straight lines or angles, this tool's got you covered. When that blade finally gets dull, you can either sharpen it or swap it out for a new one. Stop tossing those dull drill bits in the trash. This 95-watt sharpener brings them back to life in no time. Whether you're working with wood or steel bits, anything from 3 to 12 millimeters fits right in. The high-speed grinding wheel spins at 1,350 revolutions per minute, putting a perfect edge on your bits every time. You'll save a bunch of money by sharpening instead of replacing, and your bits will cut like new again. At just 1 kilogram, it's light enough to carry anywhere, but strong enough to handle regular use. Here's a heat gun that follows you anywhere. No cords needed. The Wagner Furno 550 puts serious heat right in your hands. You get 5 temperature settings from 550 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Need to work in dark spots? The LED light shows you exactly where you're aiming. Those frozen pipes and stubborn stickers don't stand a chance. The 2-finger trigger feels natural, and it heats up in just 10 seconds. With the included 2R battery, you'll get up to 19 minutes of work time on low heat, or 7 minutes on high. The flare nozzle spreads heat widely, while the curved deflector wraps heat around pipes perfectly. Need both hands free? It stands up on its own. Moving from heat to texture, let's check out a game-changing wall texturing solution. The Homax Tex Pro makes those tricky texturing jobs feel like a breeze. You'll cover up to 100 square feet with fine spray or 35 square feet with knockdown finish, all from one cartridge. The best part? You can handle this job solo. Just pop in a cartridge, hook up your air compressor, and you're ready to roll. You'll finish jobs up to 70% faster than old-school hopper guns, and your arms will thank you. It's 60% lighter too. No more mixing hassles or heavy equipment to lug around. Whether you're going for that subtle orange peel look or a bold knockdown finish, you're in control. The pre-mixed formula means consistent results every time. Give it 30 minutes for fine sprays or up to 90 minutes for heavy applications to dry. When precision meets power, you get the Hilti Neuron Nailer. No more gas cartridges or loud bangs. This battery-powered beast drives up to 1,000 nails per hour without breaking a sweat. The smart features make your work life easier. It tells you when to reload, primes itself when you pick it up, and even connects to your phone for troubleshooting. You'll love how it feels in your hands, perfectly balanced for those long days of nailing drywall track. The LED light helps you see exactly where you're shooting, while the angle magazines let you reach those tricky spots. Whether you're working with concrete, steel, or masonry, this tool's got your back. Say goodbye to those frustrating drain clogs. The Skil Drain Cleaner packs serious power in a compact package, perfect for those tight bathroom spaces. You're getting 450 RPMs of clog-busting power with zero mess, thanks to the clever two-piece guide hose. The auto-feed system is a real game-changer. It feeds and retrieves the 30-foot cable without you having to touch it. Watch through the clear cover to see exactly how much cable you got left. Whether you're dealing with shower, sink, or tub clogs, this machine handles drain lines from 3/4 inches to 1.5 inches like a champ. It's built tough, but moves easily, making it perfect for service pros on the go. Here's your new best friend for handling logs. The Fiskars XA two-hand sappy makes moving wood feel like child's play. That hook-shaped blade bites into logs with just a light tap, while the toothed insert gives you a grip that won't quit. You'll save your back thanks to the smart design. No more awkward bending or straining. The curved handle fits your grip perfectly, even with gloves on, and that glass fiber reinforced material means it's practically unbreakable. Weighs next to nothing, but works like a heavyweight champ. Whether you're right or left-handed, this tool works great. Just hang it up through the convenient storage hole when you're done. The hardened steel blade keeps its edge, and the protective cover means safe transport every time. Take the guesswork out of ladder safety with the Smart Level Ladder Pro. This clever design locks itself in seconds. No more worrying about slips or slides. You'll feel the difference the moment you step on it. Rock solid stability that stays put until you're back on the ground. The 2,970-meter transport length means you can tackle both big and small jobs. Whether you're painting high walls or changing light fixtures, this ladder's got your back. The smart locking system takes all the guesswork out of ladder setup. When it's locked, you know it's safe. Turn broken plastic into good as new with the Polyvance Mini Weld Model 7. This isn't just any plastic welder. It's your complete repair solution in a box. The 200-watt ceramic core gets hot enough to tackle even tough nylon radiator tanks. You're getting 7 different types of welding rod, so you can match practically any automotive plastic out there. That FiberFlex universal rod makes short work of tricky materials like TEO and TPO. 2 swappable tips let you handle different repair jobs with ease. The temperature control box puts you in charge. Dial in exactly what you need for perfect welds every time. The camo lever turns warped board straight with just 1 turn. Use 2-4 of these across your deck, and you'll get perfect spacing every time. It doesn't matter if you're working with pressure-treated wood or hardwood. This tool's strong enough to handle it all. Fits any joist from 1.5 to 3 inches wide, whether it's wood or metal. Working solo, no problem. This tool holds boards in place while you fasten them down. It's like having an extra set of hands on the job. Speed up your installs and save your back at the same time. Make heavy lifting look easy with a Lang-Fit slab lifter. This pro-grade tool handles slabs up to 50 kilograms with smooth precision. The extended handle saves your back while those curved clamp jaws grip tight without damaging the material. You'll handle anything from 200 to 500 millimeter slabs with confidence. Whether you're laying footpath slabs or moving terrace stones, this tool makes it feel effortless. The ergonomic handle keeps you comfortable all day long, and when you're done, it folds up for easy storage. From natural stone to grass paving blocks, this lifter's got the muscle to move it. Speed up your underlayment work with the CN 100B cap nailer. This pneumatic powerhouse shoots 5 cap nails per second, making quick work of big jobs. Load it up with 200 caps and nails, and you're ready for serious production. The 1-inch plastic caps and electro-galvanized ring shank nails give you secure holds every time. At just 4.9 pounds, you can work all day without wearing yourself out. Perfect for roofing and weatherization projects where you need both speed and reliability. Each cap and nail combination locks down your material for a professional finish every time. Cut through the toughest materials with the M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. This cordless powerhouse cuts faster than corded models and handles materials up to 5 by 5 inches. The dual trigger design keeps you safe, requiring both hands for operation. That power state brushless motor just keeps going, while the red lithium XC5 Zero battery gives you 2.5 times more runtime than standard packs. The LED light shows you exactly where you're cutting, and the tool-free adjustable shoe changes positions in seconds. Tough enough to handle job site drops thanks to the special armor technology, yet smart enough to protect itself with RedLink Plus intelligence. When you need serious cutting power without the cord, this is your go-to tool. The Jumbo Coater Sure Grip frame brings comfort and precision to any painting job. The soft green Sure Grip handle makes it easy on your hands, especially if you're tackling big projects. This frame's solvent-resistant plastic cage ensures smooth rolling action even with heavy paints, while its chrome-plated 1/4-inch shank is built to last. Designed with a 90-degree angle, it works well with 4.5-inch and 6.5-inch Jumbo Coater rollers, so you'll always have the right fit. This frame is also compatible with the Sherlock GT pole, providing you flexibility with extensions for reaching high or tricky spots. Whether you're painting a ceiling, wall, or awkward corners, this frame is ready to help you achieve an even coat with less strain. And as your painting comes to a close, the next tool can take over for a completely different task, cutting plastic pipes with ease and accuracy. Cutting plastic pipes doesn't have to be a hassle. The Rocket UKS 160 makes it straightforward and precise. Perfect for PE, PP, and PVC pipes. This cutter handles pipes up to 160 millimeters in diameter with clean right-angled cuts. It's built to offer offset-free cuts, so you don't have to worry about misalignment. Designed with efficiency in mind, it allows you to work quickly while keeping everything safe with saw blade protection. With optimal pipe centering, this tool ensures accuracy, so you can avoid uneven edges or jagged cuts. It's versatile for use in both construction sites and workshops, and it's a reliable choice for professionals. So that's all about the 40 ingenious tools on Amazon that have reached a new level.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.